Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, guys. Today's video is of course a bit different. Usually I go out, vlog and stuff like that, but today's video is a bit serious and I want to help you guys out as much as I can, inshallah. The first thing I'm going to talk about is payment gateway and how you guys can find the solution to it here in Dubai. The next thing is of course a free winning product throughout this video, so make sure you guys watch the entire video. Now when it comes to payment gateway, literally everyone in the UAE has an issue with the payment gateway, and right now I'm going to show you guys the easiest way to actually fix it. The first thing I'm going to do is of course go inside my Hustlers ecom account. If you guys don't already know, Hustlers ecom is where we actually take care of you from A to Z, completely teach you everything about dropshipping, and my students already follow this method, but I want to share it with you guys as well if you guys are facing an issue. Now the first thing you do is of course you go inside your Shopify account, click on settings, and the first thing you do is click on payments. Inside payments, of course, people talk about Stripe, PayPal, all these other payment gateways, but the best payment gateway and the way that you can do dropshipping the halal way is actually cash on delivery, and I'll explain why. Now the reason why cash on delivery is actually halal is because you're not gonna receive the cash before giving the customer the product, so it makes it halal because it's transactional. The minute you give the customer the product, you're gonna receive the cash. And how to activate it is very simple, and I'm gonna show you guys how I actually do it. So you click on set up cash on delivery, click on reactivate, and you're good to go. So that's how easily you can have a payment gateway inside your store. Now there's one or two more things that you guys have to finish and fix. One is shipping and delivery. Inside shipping and delivery, you have to create a zone. Now most of the times it's actually chosen automatically, but I'm gonna show you guys the problem which most of the people faces, which the store says checkout cannot be processed, and I'm gonna show you guys how to fix that. All you have to do is literally, if you have selected United Arab Emirates, click on it again and make sure it says 7 out of 7 Emirates are chosen. And once you click on done, you can add the rate as free delivery all the time. That's what we go with because the customer loves free delivery. So we add free delivery, click on done, file name, new, and click on save. So yeah boys, these are the main things. The last but not least, you have to go to checkout and fix a few settings here, which is first you choose email, then you choose require first and last name, you choose don't include in company name, and in address line 2 required along with shipping phone number. Why? Because we're doing cash on delivery, we need the most information out of the customer except company, which we don't really need. And yeah, all you have to do is literally save all of this, and now your store is completely ready for a checkout through cash on delivery. And if you guys have any question along with how you deliver the product, maximize your store, scale it, and all of these other questions that might go through your head, then visit hustlersecom.info, which is right here guys, and we are gonna guide you completely from A to Z on how you can actually have a successful store here in Dubai or Saudi Arabia or any GCC countries. Thank you for watching guys, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.